Boys, welcome back to another day of Enduro Traveller. We are out here, Binegar Quarry, baby. Got a decent squad. We got Jakey Boy with us, we got Tashy with us, we got old Adam Andy with us, and we've even got Jakey Boy's brother. He's out on Jakey Boy's old TM, and yeah, gonna see what this is about. They should have had an event here today, but they ended up changing it to a practice day, so we thought we'd come along and see what it's all about. So as always, make sure you smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and drop a comment in there. Let's get into it. Woo! Boys, I'm up here on top of the world, and then I've got matey boys down here subscribing. They're watching and they're going like, yeah, we're going to subscribe. So shout out to those boys. Hopefully you'll see this video at some point. If you do, drop a little comment in there, that'd be cool. I'll tell you what, we have worked hard for this shot here, especially Tashy down there with the old numptied shoulder. We're going to try and get this drone shot in, so if you see it coming in over here. Here he is right there. You. Right, so we got Jakey Boy's brother in front of me. Haven't got him a nickname yet. We'll get one of those today. Adam Andy in front of him. We're just, yeah, it's his first time out riding with me. Never ridden with him before. I think it's his third time out riding. So he is sending it, boys. Fair play to him. Right, boys. So we're currently on the sighting lap, aka the loop. I think it operates pretty similar to how Calm does it, in the sense that you need to be able to do this loop and then you can go off piste and stuff. So just getting a feel in, getting a little bit warmed up. Got Tash man in front of me leading the way. This is fun, this place is pretty sick. I imagine this is proper Tecno in the wet. It's bone dry, super freaking hot right now, but it's rutty as hell, isn't it? All those little rutties would definitely get you in the eye. Carlo. Whoa! Yeah, this place will be something else in the wet, boys. And look, here's like the pit area. So they've got a decent amount of area where you can like set up your vans and all that kind of stuff. And then there's lots of different ways out of it. You can go over there, that's part of the loop. You can go back this way, which was where we were. There's a whole kind of decent setup, and then you get the old boy skis back here like this. Oh. Fucking hell.
2,000 years later.
Right, I'm away now, mate. Fucking hell.
Now you.
Yeah. Let the dust settle a little bit on that. Woo.
Well done, boy.
Cheers, mate. That was ugly as fuck, but. Oh no! You done what I did.
I put the power on too low. I just said to Josh, shall I go past him?
Riding like a pussy. Missed a hell of a one there. Tashy went up this right hand one, slung his bike over to the left and ended up all the way down there. My filming is not on point today. Right, take 2.0, Tashy. Right there. Fair play to him. Oh man, that is a bike sender. Oh no. Fair play to him though, because he was kicking around down here. No! He don't look like he's moving, does he? Jake, is he alright? Oh fuck.
I think my shoulder, I've hurt my shoulder.
Okay. Just chill. Yeah. I think he would say, I'm not Will. Nah, fuck that. I'll stay at a distance.
It's going to be an A&E trip, bud.
Yeah, no, let's. I reckon we can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's like a few different ways. Yeah. I'll probably do it.
Yeah, you do need to just...
We're in the big hands.
Yeah.
It's running you into bike now.
Yeah, you can you can follow us if you want. You can.
So did this happen quite a lot?
It happened a few times. We need to get my phone. I need to have a look at this video.
Is there a specific one?
Well, there's a few ways we can try. I
Yeah.
need to get it in quick, otherwise it.
Cool.
Yeah, it's...
How easy, geez. Oh, there you go.
Here you go.
Oh,
That's
it's
gone.
in.
I felt okay. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Have you got like a
Yeah, we've
sling?
got...
Oh,
Yeah.
sling now. Yeah.
And maybe some ice? Ice it, just for 5 minutes?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now I've done that, you got any pins and needles in your fingers?
No.
You can feel all that, can you?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So I have some nerves running down through here as well, something I'm worried about. That feels good.
Last time it came out, it was out for an hour.
Yeah.
And
It's
then
in. Definitely in. Yeah. Yeah, that popped in.
Oh, you can hear it, yeah.
Definitely in.
Drink.
How's that feel now? Is that...
Yeah, it feels alright. I just know I've got to be careful with it.
Right, having another go then?
No,
all done,
I've got to
mate?
stop.
No, on the hill.
Oh, Christ!
Sending him up on his bike again.
No. There's no more bike riding.
Not for him.
Yeah, not for him. Dying.
He's a boy, isn't
I don't think I want to do motorbikes anymore. I want to buy a TM.
You've got a TM. The fuck did you do that for?
That cunt there. It's a quality bike.
Wow.
Just rebuilt it.
Rather shit in my hands and clap.
Pow.
Rather shit in my hands and clap.
That's absolutely made my day, that comment has.
Do you want to hold this on?
I'm going to go and have my lunch. As long as you're good. You're fine.
Alright, shout out to the old ambulance people here, they've handled that well. Tashy took it like a champion. He's a boy. Check out this matey boy here. Bloody hell. Yeah, boy. You.
You got a thumb throttle?
Yeah.
How come that's then? Why you got that?
Faster.
You like a quad bike?
Adds about 20 horsepower.
Really?
Never even heard of a thumb throttle like that. Mate, he's got a thumb throttle, so he's throttling with his thumb instead of twisting. I don't quite get it. I don't get it, but look, you see him doing it there. You!
That car, smashed that car.
Smash that car coming. Do you want a lift?
Enduro goodness. Oh yeah, boy!
Yoo-hoo! Adam Andy wants a bit of it. Bloody hell! I mean, he did it nice, but now Jake's turn, isn't
I
it?
might not try that.
Why not?
Looks fucking sketchy.
It's here, Tash. What are you thinking?
Well, I tell you what's happening now. What's happening now? It's like, you know when you got hill climb and then people go, "I'll do it in a minute," after they move half the rocks that are on the hill.
Right, I see.
Like, yeah, but okay, you did it, but you did make it easier.
And it wasn't the same hill anymore, was it? Really?
Yeah, like, you know, like he's scooped out all the loose stuff that was on top when everyone else done it.
Is that
where that
He's
rock
now
ended
wedged
up
that
after?
in.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Honestly,
Did it?
proper flicked out.
I felt the arse end go, my left foot come right off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. And I know where he's at right now. He is nervous.
I'm not doing it.
He's nervous.
Look at his face.
He's nervous.
Look at his little face.
You either do this or you get up on the bonnet of that range.
I'm not doing either.
Do you remember when he used to be fun? Oh, hell yeah!
Go on, lad. Oh, Adam Andy's gonna have a crack at tripling this. Oh. Ugly. Don't know what I'm doing wrong. Right, boys, that's the end of a sick day. Jakey boy's ended up on a KTM. Jakey boy 2.0 has ended up on a gas. I've ended up with my wobbly bars. We've got Adam Andy doing his usual thing. And then we've got, I don't even know where to start with him, but yeah.
Stuffed it.
It's absolutely stuffed it. That's not how you want to end your day. That's not how when you start your day or do anything in the middle of your day like that.
I don't like it.
But as always, make sure you smash that subscribe button, drop a like and drop a comment in there. It was Enduro Rocks events here at Binegar Quarry. What a day. What a day.
Decent bike. You're trying to kid, boy.
I think
Oh.
I'll put subtitles under that.
No, I'll do it for you, what you said.
Do you want my full body armour?
He could use your balls if you wouldn't mind lending them to him.